students, let's discuss the question. In this question, we have to name any two figures that has both line symmetry and the rotational symmetry. So first, we are considering about the equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle. So this is our equilateral triangle whose all the three sides are equal. If it's all the three sides are equal, so it has the symmetry, and it has basically three symmetries. So we can say that this triangle has line symmetry. So this is its line symmetry. And if we are considering about its rotations, now we are considering about the rotational symmetry. So this is our equilateral triangle. Let's say this is its median. So we know that if it is an equilateral triangle, so every angle of this median must be equal to 120 degree. So this angle is 120 degree, this angle is 120 degree, and this angle is 120 degree. So initially, if we rotate this figure with the angle of 120 degree, so if we rotate this initially with an angle of 120 degree, so this A will be here, this let's say this is B, and let's say this is C. So this A will be here, this B will be here, and let's say this C will be here. Now if again we rotate this with an angle of 120 degree, let's say from here to here we rotated this. So this A will be here, this B will be here, and this C will be here. Now if we again rotate this with an angle of 120 degree, so this A will go to its initial position, B go to its initial, and C go to its initial. So we can say that this triangle has both line and the rotational symmetry. So this is the answer to the first figure. Now we have to give the two figures. So the second figure must, let's say we are considering about the second figure, which is, let's say, circle. We know that the circle has infinite many line of symmetry, but the only condition is that every line of symmetry must be passing through a center. So this is the line of symmetry of the circle. Now we are doing this circle. This is our circle. We are dividing this into four equal parts, and we know that the every this diameter is passing through the center, making an angle of 90 degree with the other diameter. So this is 90 degree, this is 90 degree, this is 90 degree. Let's say this is the part A, this is the part B, this is the part C, and this is the part D. So when we rotate this circle with the angle of 90 degree 4 times, we got the initial figure. Let's say firstly we rotate this with 90 degree. So this A will be here, this B will be here, C will be here, D will be here. Then again with 90, A will be here, B will be here, C will be here, and D will be here. Again with 90. So this A will be here, B will be here, C will be here, and D will be here. Then again with D, it got its initial position A here, B here, C here, and D here. So basically it took 4 rotations in order to reach to its initial position. So circle has both the line as well as the rotational symmetry. So in order to solve this problem, here's the basic concept of symmetry. I hope you understood the concept well. Thank you.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.